First off, I'm already gonna apologize for the wind noise. It's a bit windy up here on top of the hill. But folks, we are finally back at Capitol Raceway. Y'all see where I'm at. You OG folks know what this place looks like. We're coming back out here tonight to have some fun, get some runs in, see what Shake and Bake will do. DA is pretty nice. It's in the low 50s, grains in the 30s, 50, humidity's in the 50% range, mid 50s. So we're gonna get some races in. Who cares who we line up against? We just wanna go fast. So we're gonna go fast, and I'm gonna show you how fast we're gonna go.
Round one.
I'm gonna get some good heat in them. Get your heat here. You don't have to burn out all the way through there, but I want you to roll through the vein and back up.
All right.
All right.
Draggy says 9.7. Woo! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Shake and Bake is back, baby! Woo! Hook and book, baby, hook and book. Yeah, buddy, we were hooking and booging. Let's get some of this smoke out of here. Woo! Nice healthy little burnout. Let's go get the time slip, baby. Yeah, that was a nice healthy burnout, man. He wanted me to get a lot of heat in the tires because it is cold. It's 52 degrees out, but it's really cold. Got a little bit of a tailwind going on, but 230 to 60 is what the car has got. 6.3 to the 8th at 114, 9.7 at 139. Woo! Let's get up here and get this time slip. 260. Oh, they only gave me to the 8th. Oh man.
Let me see something. Hey, Crystal, come in. Man, you know you got the timing system set only to the 8th. Okay. You got it right. Tell us what
Tell her just put it on quarter mile. That was from earlier.
Oh, that's all right. That's all right.
Well, at least you hooked up.
I got the draggy. I got the draggy.
You can hot lap it if you want.
I'm gonna take a break. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Give me about 10. All right, so that was only to the 8th because they had a track rental earlier. So they're gonna set it to the quarter, and we're gonna come right back up in a few minutes.
Round 2.
Spun real bad on that one. I think it just got too cold. Car says 10.4, Draggy says 10. Says 10.6. So yeah, when you spin out, the Draggy gets a little crazy. Or the car gets a little crazy, one or the other. Yeah, we were definitely spinning on that one. We may try one more and call it a night. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, it is cold out, and once the track gets cold, it's hard to hook up. You know the deal. But let's grab this time slip, see what it says, and we'll kind of go from there. Yeah, here's the time slip. 2060 foot, because we were spinning 7 something to the 8th. This is hard to read because it's barely printing. 10.64 at 134. So yeah, we were spinning. DA is great. But you know, the track's a little bit cold. It's 48 degrees, so the temperature's dropping. Tracks are getting cold, getting harder to hook up. But we'll cool down for about another 10-15 minutes, go back up for another round and see what happens.
Round 3.
I missed the burnout again, but anyway, last round, here we go. Oh, that's it for tonight, folks. There ain't no sense. Yeah, there just ain't no sense. No sense in beating on shake and bake for nothing. And I forgot the 360 again. God dang it. I gotta get used to this routine, man. It's a new routine for me. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the deal with me and new routines. I always forget one thing, but at least I got the draggy in the car. Car says 10.0 at 134. Draggy said 10.1, I believe. Yeah, 10.19. We'll come down here, grab the time slip, see what it says. But I don't have any high hopes. But hey, it's another fun day at the track. We out here with the fellas, hanging out. But yeah, it's just too cold for him to keep heating the track at this point, especially with it being dark and the sun's not out. Sun was out earlier, but it's not out. Obviously not out now because it's dark. But I don't necessarily blame the track at this point. I blame the weather, because he can't drag after every car to try and heat up the track. That's just an impossible ask. Alrighty, thank you, ma'am. And they got to do something about the printer, man, because I can't see jack diddly. But let me get back to the pits and we'll go over the runs. All right, us old folks, man, I had to whip out the glasses here. So 60 foot 165, 60 foot 6.6 to the 8th at 111, 10.13 at 136. So, and that was spinning. So we did pretty good. But you know, the DA is great. That first run was awesome. We got a 9.7 on the draggy. But hey, after that first run, it was nothing but a spin fest. So it is what it is. I think Capital's doing a lot better with their prep. 100% they were doing a lot better with their prep. You know, they were doing the best they could with what they had. The humidity's going up at 68% now. The grains still aren't bad at 31. But it is supposed to rain tonight, so humidity's going up, the sun's gone down, it's 46 degrees, track is cold. There's really not a whole lot you can do to keep that track sticky when it gets this cold. But hey, 9.7 first run, what, 10.6 the second run, and a 10.1 the last run. We're getting runs in, that's all that matters. Now, I know y'all listening to the trans going down the track, it's having some troubles. It is starting to have some troubles. So what we may do is forego the Modern Street Hemi shootout at the Rock to make sure we're prepared for America versus the World on the 14th. And then after that, we may look at getting the trans upgraded. So I'll let you know the plan. We have plans for it already. We're just may have to do it sooner rather than later. But I'll let you know those plans when the time comes. So upgraded trans is coming, and it's going to be a little different than what a lot of people have seen. But we got plans. Mac and I got plans. So y'all stay tuned for that. But if you are stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me them few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Till next time, adios.